Barbara.
And I'm Karen, and we're the Sync Sisters.
This is our tech bit on emergency alerts.
Oh my gosh, have you ever been woken up in the middle of the night to that sound coming from your phone?
It's crazy, isn't it?
It is super crazy. Let's turn it off for a minute. These are the government alerts that are on your iPhone and a cellular iPad, if you have one of those.
Right.
And it was started by the government in 2012.
Right. In the 1950s, it started on our televisions.
Right.
When you would get the emergency broadcast system.
Yep.
And someone had the great idea to push it out to everybody's cellular device. It's really a game changer, they say.
So it's not just an iPhone thing, but that's what we're covering.
Exactly. It's all cell phones. So,
Right.
all cell phones will do it.
Right.
But we're going to show you how to turn it. You can turn it off. I'm not sure why you'd want to, but you can.
You're right.
So we're going to show
So
you how
it's
to
a
do that.
crazy loud sound that comes on. It happened to us just recently.
Right.
Barbara and I were visiting our mom in Florida, and we were all sound asleep, and all of a sudden it just went off on everybody's iPhone and cellular iPads, and we were running around, tornado.
Yeah.
Of course, when we had gone to bed, we had known from
There
the
were
weather.
storms.
Right.
Yeah.
And so we were in the closet, and we were very thankful for our iPhones that
Yeah,
night.
it was awesome.
Yeah.
And it will come up here. We're showing on the screen. It comes up with an emergency alert from notifications.
Right.
I took a screenshot of it when
Right.
we were down there.
It'll probably just come up with a banner.
Right. It probably comes up with I bet it comes up and stays. I guess we're not exactly sure, but it comes up
Oh,
because who's
I mean,
looking at
stay.
it? Yeah, who's
Yeah.
looking at it when you hear that noise? You're running.
Right.
Like I didn't even look at it then. It's kind of funny because at home there was a wind chill warning.
Oh, right.
AccuWeather.
Oh, yes. We don't live in Florida.
No. So anyway, it's a great feature. It's fantastic for letting you know. So now we're going to show you how to turn it on and off, right?
Let's go and look at it. If it's I'm going to go into settings.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. And then I'm going to go into the notifications, and this is where you can set all your apps up to notify. We are going to be making a video on all app notifications.
Right.
It's a great feature. But right now we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and if you see it says government alerts. And the first one is Amber Alerts, and then there's emergency alerts. And we'll come back to the Amber one in a second. But the emergency alerts, include any kind of government warning that they want to come out with. And, the most common one is going to be weather, right?
Exactly. Right.
But it could also,
anything the government wants to alert us about,
if it's the end of the world, they might want to
asteroid
alert.
coming or
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We just don't know.
Things we don't, let's just think about the weather.
Yeah,
and nothing will happen from the bad weather.
That's right.
And then the other one is the Amber Alerts. And Amber Alerts, if you're not familiar, is when a child has been abducted. They've been around for quite a while now.
Right.
And you'll see them on freeways if you have the lighted up signs on the freeways.
Right.
And the government will issue it. And what will happen will be a notification will come up on your phone, similar to the weather one that we showed you.
Right.
And that will say the car type, description of the car, the license
plate if they have it, any information they might have,
where it's going, and a number to call. So
for some reason, Apple has given you the ability to turn either of those on or off.
Right.
So hopefully you keep them on and help find missing children and be alerted.
I mean, you could say that they're not drain, but they do affect your battery. It's probably still small. They're always looking every 10 minutes. I guess they go look out.
Right.
So, I mean, if you did have some crazy battery issue, but I think you would always want to know and be alerted, right?
Right.
So we hope you never have to hear this sound.
In the middle of the night.
But now you'll know what it is, and maybe you won't be so confused as we were. Thanks for watching the Sync Sisters Tech Bit.
And please subscribe to our channel.